In this video, we are going to do a presentation of iRealProperty. The first thing we need to do is to start the application on the iPad. This presentation is using data from King County in the state of Washington. In order to use the application for the first time, I have to enter in my credentials. The credentials I need to use on my iPad are the same ones that are on my computer. I already logged in as Azure Guest. Let me enter in my password and then log in. The application checks against an Active Directory server to validate who I am and what kind of rights I have on the application. Now that the server has confirmed my identity, I can access the application. After that, the application will cache your credentials securely, and you'll be able to log in even if you don't have an available connection. You can navigate in the application using the tabs on the bottom of the screen. The default tab, when you open the application, is the Search tab. Another interesting tab is the Status tab. Let me show you. The status screen gives you a quick overview of your progress, and for example, here you can see both your login name and number of properties assigned to you. You can see your workload and how it has been assigned to you. Here you can see the number of sales verification to be done, the number of physical inspections, and other relevant information. Let's return to the search screen. Essentially, you have two types of searches. The area-wide searches, that allow you to search through the entire area, or you can search only the parcels that have been assigned to you. For example, you can search for the field reviews, or the sales that have been assigned to you. Let me do a quick search of the Area 61. The area search returns all of the parcels that are in this area. A quick word about the area. King County has a total of 650,000 real properties divided into 92 areas. In this demo, we have loaded Area 61, which contains almost 7,600 parcels. All of the columns can be customized. Here you can see that there is some key information about the property, address information, zip code, and more. Let's pick another search. For example, let's do a search by folio. Let me select this folio, and let me pull up the different search properties. As you can see, the application retrieves very quickly the 10 properties. What's very interesting is the possibility to show these properties on the map. Let me click on the Map tab. You can see immediately where the 10 properties are located. Let's go back to the search. Some other types of search require some parameters. For example, let me do a search by taxpayer name. Let's pick up all the Johns in the area. It returns over 200 different Johns. Same as before, I can also plot them on the map. And as you can see now, all the Johns are spread around the map. Like I said earlier, all of these columns can be customized. They can be sorted. For example, I could sort this column by building grade. Here is the data organized by grade. I can also filter the result list. For example, here, I'm going to pull out all of the street names. Let me select this street, 119th Court North Southeast. I immediately can see that I have two taxpayers with the name John on the street. Of course, I can select them and plot them on the map. Here they are, right next to each other. Something else you could do is pull out all of the sales since January 1st, 2011 that have been assigned to you. Select the date, search properties. Here, we only have 6 properties found amongst the ones that have been assigned to me. I can quickly show where they are on the map, and from their position, you could decide what's the best way to handle them.